Hey guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video I will show you how to change the username on Duolingo. So first, what you want to do, you want to tap on the bottom center over here and then go to settings and then profile, and then here is the username. As you can see, the username is already taken, so you need a unique one. And basically that's it. And that is how you change the username in Duolingo. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.